We hope in the future, the date when the parents got the genetic diagnosis is the day they know there is hope in front of them. The disease we are targeting is inherited sensory neuropathy. Currently, there is no curative treatment, and the patient really suffering this condition, and there is a strong unmet clinical need finding the right treatment for this group of patients. So we are developing this new RNA therapy specifically for this group of patients. I was a clinician. I worked in clinic. I've seen so many patients. And then at that time, 20 years ago, and the treatment option was not that much. And the major issue, we didn't understand the underlying genetic defect. That's the reason I changed from a medics to scientist. And now we know what's the rooting problem for this condition. We know this and we know how to treat it. And this is something inspiring me and to find the treatment for them. Another reason is, as you know, I work on rare disease, many different rare disease. And most of these rare disease happen to children. I'm a mother with 2 boys. I always think if anything happened to my children, I will do anything I can to support them, even my life. I think I can see all the parents that are the same. When I work with them, I'm talking to them, I definitely understand the feeling. They're so desperate. So that's something really inspired me. We heard a lot, how they suffer. Especially this unbearable shooting pain. Imagine every day, every minute, you have this pain. What your life will be like, our life will be like. So this is something we want to stop. And I think this is the biggest impact to our patient's life. And also for science, we will learn from this experiment because it's quite new. And this approach is a new approach. If it worked, it not just only work for that particular patient's group, and it will have a much wider application to many other conditions with a similar genetic defect. This approach is completely new and I don't think this has ever been tested in this particular condition, and this is the first time we are testing the idea. That's the reason we have done lots of different type of experiments in patient cells, in different modeling system. And now with the support from Harrington Discovery Institute and also our advisors and also the development team from Harrington Discovery Institute. So we solidate this idea, we identify the lead compounds and also the idea of how to move these compounds from the lab and to bench side to start the clinical trial. I received my first Harrington scholarship in 2021, and we start from there. We start from the screening of the many compounds, RNA compounds, and it's been 3 years, and from over 60 compounds with Harrington support. And so we have gone through the progress of the project and talking about the pre-IND meeting with regulator. In about 3 years' time, we have progressed from the idea and to a lead compound, thinking about clinical trial. It's really amazing. I really appreciate this opportunity and this scholarship from Harrington Discovery Institute. They provide me not only the funding, but also the excellent mentorship. I'm so grateful of my advisors. They share the expertise, the experience, they care about me. We're talking about science is quite a lonely journey. But now with my advisors, I don't feel this is a lonely journey anymore. I feel I'm being looking after, and then I learn so much from them. I mean, especially the translational path from an idea to a drug to treat patients.